Dwelling in waters off the coast of the North Pacific Ocean lives a very special creature. A creature that researchers at Utah State believe may be able to help us cure blindness. This is the hagfish. It's not winning any beauty pageants, but what it sacrifices in beauty is made up for in slime. Massive amounts of slime.
The hagfish, when they get bit by a predator, can very quickly exude a voluminous slime that clogs the gill of a predator. They have a protein structure called a coiled coil that is similar or identical to our extracellular matrix proteins. So proteins that hold our skin together, hold our cells together, that my laboratory is so interested in.
So, what Dr. Jones and his lab are doing is taking the DNA from this hagfish slime, running it through a series of reproduction and purification cycles, and transforming it into this fluffy powder to better research blindness. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, is a disease that gradually damages the retina, which is key to our central vision.
We have barely understood the early stages of this disease. Age-related macular degeneration affects a lot of people as they grow older, but the treatments are very, very limited. Standard technology is very large, very thick, and very porous, which is not similar to what we find in our eye. We transitioned into using this hagfish proteins in order to recapture one part of the back of the eye, the area of the retina called Bruch's membrane.
Bruch's membrane and other membranes are found in the retina of our eye, and with the ability to replicate these membranes using hagfish proteins, researchers like Dr. Varghese can better understand this disease and find new treatments.
And what our model system will allow is to grow the exact same cells on there that are in our eye so that we can test drugs and test treatments for macular degeneration and hopefully come up with better treatment metrics or mechanisms to either cure or significantly slow down the progression of the disease.
And replicating retina membranes is just one example of what this hagfish technology can do. It's also being used for medical and pharmaceutical purposes, for producing liquid-like gels and adhesives, and for making fibers and fabrics used in clothing.
So in terms of proteins that you can, obviously build such a wide array of materials from, we're somewhat it out there in the world of folks that are doing this kind of thing. You can do fibers, foams, films, gels, all kinds of fun different things that all have biomedical or industrial applications with them.